The teacher gave her blank advice. A few, B, a piece of, C, many, or D, several. The appropriate answer for this question will be, hello, this is part 2 of 2017 or 2025 grade 8 English MSLC exam. Question number 21. What does the word they in paragraph 1 line 3 stands for? A, raw materials, B, various products, C, natural resources, or D, human needs and wants. Here is the paragraph. The answer is natural resources. The sentence identifies natural resources and then says they can be broadly categorized and so on. Question number 22. What does the word this in paragraph 4 line 2 refer to? A, adopting sustainable practices, B, the sustainable management of natural resources, C, a shift towards a more sustainable and equitable use of these resources, or D, exploitation of natural resources by both present and future generations. According to this paragraph, the correct answer is the sustainable management of natural resources, because the sentence says the sustainable management of natural resource is crucial and this requires a shift. Hence, the answer is the sustainable management of natural resource. Let's go. Question number 23. The word prime in paragraph 3 line 2 contextually means A, leader, B, general, C, ruler, or D, major. Did you say major? That's right. In the phrase prime examples, the word prime means main or major examples. The next section is sentence comprehension. Question number 24. If we had clean river water in Addis Ababa, we would have swam. What does it mean? A, we did not swim in the river because the water was not clean. B, the water is clean, but we don't want to swim in the river. C, we swam in the river because the water was clean. Or D, the water is now clean, we can go swimming. If we had clean river water in Addis Ababa, we would have swam means we did not swim in the river because the water was not clean. Because this is a conditional sentence type 3 implying a hypothetical situation in the past. It means the water wasn't clean, so the swimming didn't happen. Good. Question number 25. My friend has moved to Djibouti. It means A, my friend flew to Djibouti. B, my friend drove to Djibouti. C, my friend was deported to Djibouti. Or D, my friend changed his residence to Djibouti. My friend has moved to Djibouti means my friend changed his residence to Djibouti. Because to move to a new location in this context means to change one's permanent place of residence. Dear viewers and listeners of this channel, how did you see so far the questions, answers and explanations? If you find them useful, please don't hesitate to like them now and thereby share and subscribe. Let's go. Question number 26. It says, Dagi blank his hair every morning. A, comb. B, is combing. C, combs. Or D, has combed. The correct answer for this question is comes. For habitual actions indicated by every morning, we use the simple present. For a singular subject Dagi, we add an S to the verb. Hence, the complete sentence will be Dagi combs his hair every morning. Good. Question number 27. The marathon runner was blank he was expected to be. A. Not as fast as. B. More faster than. C. As fastest as. Or D. The most faster than. Of the given alternatives, the correct answer is not as fast as, because not as adjective as is a standard comparative structure. More faster in choice B is a double comparative and is incorrect, because no one can say more faster, because you have to say fast faster, not more faster. Hence, the complete sentence for the question will be the marathon runner was not as fast as he was expected to be. Question number 28. Mekia blank her birthday last week. A. Celebrates. B. Celebrated. C. Had celebrated. Or D. Has celebrated. If you say celebrated, that's right, because last week is a finished time marker requiring the simple past tense, celebrated in this case. Hence, Mekia celebrated her birthday last week is the correct sentence. Nice. Question number 29. In this library, you blank use your cell phone to browse, not to make a call. A. Can. B. Must. C. Have to. Or D. Had to. The answer will be can, because the sentence indicates permission or possibility for browsing, making can the appropriate modal verb. Hence, in this library, you can use your cell phone to browse, not to make call, will be the correct statement. Nice. We are at halfway of part 2. Dear viewers and listeners of this channel, if you have any question or comment on the presentation, you are welcome. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, share and thereby subscribe. Let's go. Question number 30. The patient avoided blank long distances as advised by his doctor. A. To walk. B. Walks. C. Walk. Or D. Walking. The answer will be walking. The verb avoid is followed by a gerund, verb plus ing. Hence, the patient avoided walking long distances as advised by his doctor will be the correct sentence. Question number 31. Sarah blank a letter to her friend a day ago. A. Has written. B. Had written. C. Wrote. Or D. Writes. The answer is wrote, because a day ago indicates a specific past time requiring the simple past tense, wrote in this case. Hence, Sarah wrote a letter to her friend a day ago will be the correct sentence. Let's go. Question number 32. She is reading a novel written blank ፍቅረ ማርቆስ ደስታ. A. With. B. By. C. In. Or D. From. The correct preposition to be used here is by, because in passive style descriptions of authorship, the preposition by is used to indicate the creator. Hence, she is reading a novel written by ፍቅረ ማርቆስ ደስታ will be the correct sentence. Question number 33. My friend blank to Nairobi 3 times. A. B was, C has been, or D have been? Did you say has been? That's exactly the answer. Because we use the present perfect to describe experiences happening at unstated times. My friend is singular, so we use has been. Hence, the complete sentence will be, my friend has been to Nairobi 3 times. Question number 34. We have booked air tickets because we blank fly to Gambella tomorrow. A. Are going to. B. Will. C. Will be. Or D. Are. The answer will be are going to. Because are going to is used for planned future actions based on current evidences. The booked tickets. Hence, the complete sentence will be, we have booked air tickets because we are going to fly to Gambella tomorrow. Nice. Question number 35 is coming. It says, I met a man blank has many followers on Facebook. A. Which. B. Whom. C. Whose. Or D. Who. The answer for question number 35 is who, because who is the relative pronoun used as the subject when referring to a person. Hence, I met a man who has many followers on Facebook will be the correct sentence. Let's go to question number 36. It says, the teacher gave her blank advice. A. A few. B. A piece of. C. Many. Or D. Several. The appropriate answer for this question will be a piece of, because advice is an uncountable noun. We use a piece of to make it countable. Many and a few are for countable nouns. Hence, the complete sentence will be, the teacher gave her a piece of advice. Question number 37. The boy blank when his mother brought him a cup of tea. A. Is reading. B. Reads. C. Was reading. Or D. Has read. The answer is was reading. This uses the past continuous to show an ongoing action. Was reading, interrupted by a sudden past event. Brought in this case. Hence, the complete sentence will be, the boy was reading when his mother brought him a cup of tea. Question number 38 says, the floor was wet because it blank. A. Had rained. B. Has rained. C. Rains. Or D. Is raining. If you say had rained, that's right, because we use the past perfect or had rained in this case to describe an action that happened before another past action or state. The floor was wet. Hence, the complete sentence will be, the floor was wet because it had rained. Question number 39. She blank flies due to her severe flight phobia. A. Usually. B. Sometimes. C. Ever. Or D. Never. If you say never, that's right. Because a severe flight phobia means she avoids flying completely, making never the correct frequency adverb. Hence, the correct sentence will be, or the complete sentence will be, she never flies due to her severe flight phobia. The last question for part 2. Question number 40. It says, Lionel Messi is a famous footballer. blank. A. Doesn't he? B. Does he? C. Isn't he? D. Is he? The correct tag question for this question is isn't he? Because for a question tag, if the statement is positive or is in this case, the tag must be negative or isn't he or isn't. Hence, the complete sentence will be Lionel Messi is a famous footballer, isn't he? Dear viewers and listeners of this channel, this is all for part 2. If you have any question or comment, you are welcome. If you find these question, answers and explanations useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like to get the PDF of this question, you can visit our Telegram channel HaHu Tube. There, join and find different related exercises there. See you in part 3. Till then, wish you all the best.